hotel natin last. Sorry, yung port. Here. Max, look here. Si Babay na. Pakita kayo.
Mario, Ice tea. Ding, ding, ding. Apple, apple, apple.
Ang lambot. Ang lambot. Sarap.
Andyan lang yung gate eh. Dapat pala kung humingi ako spoon. Dapat humingi.
またはキャンペーンサイトをご覧ください。こちらただいま空港周辺晴れの31度でございます。日盛りのおつなぎが早夏の訪れを感じられます。
Picture. Sige, nasan si Mami? Gumagalaw. Saka na yung ano, picturean mo.
Ginapicture ko yung mga bata.
Bakit?
Ayoko magpa-picture, puro ko sukat.
Silang dalawa lang, ikaw mag-picture. Ano pa agad ang mood eh. Max. Biel, Max. Go na to, Mami. Max. Go there. Max. Max. Go.
Smile. Smile. Okay, smile.
Max, look at Mommy's big phone.
Smile.
Look po. Wala. Ayun. Ayun pa oh. Picture tayo doon. Sandali.
Yan! Let's go! Let's go! Let's take it. Sofa, the sofa. I want to be the sofa. I actually.
Maxi! Maximilian! Maxi! Tingnan mo lang.
Iwan na lang natin.
Maxi? I told you just point like this, huh? Maxi, look at me. Like this, huh? Like this. How do you point? If it should be start pointing, huh? Yeah. Yeah.
Doon kayo doon. Is it scratch here?
Hello there. Hello there. Hello there.
Say konnichiwa. Hajimemashite. Say konnichiwa.
Wait mo tayo sa ito pa muna. Ready to go outside.
Hi. Good dog. There's it. I think there's the car. What's up there, Dad? There's the Toyota.
Head south, then turn right. Turn right.
Hey, that's what's up. This is the car. This is in the car. Dad, this is recorded in the car. Diba? Daddy just recorded.
Turn right.
Sama ko si Mama interview.
Hindi, parang gusto ko minsan yung tahimik lang. Yung pag gusto
Parang
ko
ganito
dumating.
expressway sa
Oo.
tingnan mo, wala silang ilaw.
Sa UK.
Di ba dito wala rin?
Oo
Di ba
nga.
walang poste ng ilaw?
Oo. Kasi, madilim.
Like pollution.
So, madilim.
May sensor siya pag malapit ako sa
Turn right.
ibang toll gate pala yun. Ano lang siya.
At the stop sign, turn left.
Turn left.
Continue for 6 kilometers.
5 kilometers.
Sige. Buti na lang, di SUV kinuha ko. So, ano yung side mirror?
Sorry.
Kung siya sa'yo, may mas mahal pa to. Talagang hihinto talaga kayo.
Ang ganda ng mga bahay.
Diba? May solar sa Bacoor.
Bakit ang bibilis nila? Ang kipot.
Sana yun na eh.
OMG. Kami, first time namin dito. Wait lang.
Nandun pala sa kabila.
Yung third na stoplight.
Oo.
Right.
May Daihatsu. Japanese nga pala ang Daihatsu.
Aircon. Tama ba? Ano ito yung Hatsu?
Ha?
In 300 meters, turn sharp right.
tumbler.
Oh, it's going to drink.
Nasaan na?
Yeah.
Ay, nahulog. Tumba. Tumba.
Do. Later. Doon po na tayo sa store.
Where's the first son of the sea? Have a good day.
Yeah. Your mommy's favorite. Ang layo oh. No, later.
Little baby.
Isi ko.
Wow! Look at that!
Ano? Kukuha ka ba neta? It's fruit chocolate. A must buy souvenir.
Devil's fruit chocolate bar.
Wow!
Eh, sino ba to?
Si ano?
Si... Ano to?
Whitebeard.
White beard.
Ay, Blackbeard, sorry.
Eh, black beard.
Oo nga, Blackbeard.
Ayaw ko black beard.
Makaisa.
Okay.
Hi. Sabi mo kay Carlo.
Hey, there's a chicken over there. There's a chicken over there. You. There's a chicken. Oh, that's me. Yeah. Oh, there's a cardboard, Sunny.
Wado Ichimonji?
Race car.
Binubuo. And
Race car. I want to buy this. Daddy wants to buy this race car.
binubuo siya.
This car. And this car. Ate, look, this is so hot. Hey, this is where I want the track.
What?
For the
No, yun
bottle,
sa I bought it
want
sa
the toy.
wait. Max.
Because this race car. The race car.
Ayun niya pa banguhan.
Look at this. Look at
amoy mo.
this. This
I-test
car.
ko.
Sige, masig.
I'll get a basket, ha? Sige na, sige na.
Yay! Daddy said, I said yes. Daddy said yes. Yay! I got the chopper plushie.
Pag may nakita tayo sa shop, ha? Wala dito eh.
Ay, look at that! Ate, look
Ano?
up. This is a birthday plastic.
Pwede kang tumikim ng seaweed. Oh. Ayan, may testers eh.
Ooh, strawberry. No, ma! Snap! I found snap.
Bring cookie.
Oh, Pokemon! Ate, I found Pokemon. Ate, come
ito pala
here.
itsura.
Ate, come here. Ate, come here. Ate, come here. Pokemon. This is
Ano?
one, two, three, go. Oh, I see there. Ate, I see something there. Daddy, I see Jimbei.
Okay.
Let's go her. Let's go get Jimbei. Let's go. Yeah.
Ay, picture pa.
Bye-bye. This is gonna be a nice
Ay,
picture.
wow. Look at this.
Circle around it. Stop. No, go around that. Stop. Just, I'll come there. Stop. Come here. Come here. Max, stop covering it. Yeah. And smile. There's nothing inside this plate.
Ay, may dadaan sa akin na. Biel! Biel, kami. Tabi ka,
Biel,
tabi
one
ka.
picture? Ah, dali. Picture.
Okay, picture lang.
Okay, pose.
Yes, the light.
Ay, Biel, I'll show you the crab.
Lika, lika.
Can you see the crab? It's moving.
Oh, may sasakyan. Dito ka lang, Biel, ha? Huwag kang gagalaw.
There is it.
There's a car.
It makes it small. So cool. Still better go. Why water?
Oo na kayo dito. Hanggang doon tayo doon sa may...
My
ano na yun.
friends!
Yung sa tabi, sa
My
gilid.
friend is there. Daddy.
Look at the shells, Biel.
Hello. Ay, may dadaan sa akin na. Biel! Biel, kami. Tabi ka, tumabi
Biel,
ka.
one picture? Ah, dali. Picture.
Okay, picture lang.
Okay, pose.
Oh, yes, the light.
Ay, Biel, I'll show you the crab.
Lika, lika. May sasakyan. May sasakyan. Dito ka lang, Biel, ha? Huwag kang gagalaw. There's a car. Ayan.
Cow. So cute. Makes it small. Dito sa karo. Still better go.
Go, pa, honey. Das.
Oh, he's running under swimming pool. Ate, yung swimming at the swimming pool.
Dito tayo sa side. Tayo mag-picture.
My friend got to be here. My friend
Check.
got to be here.
Dito lang tayo, Biel. Masyado na malayo yan. Tara, Biel. Max. Life size yung mga yan.
Yeah, we're going in the store.
Napaka-importante sa kanila talaga ang sunset. Yung pag-picture.
Go birds. And under and the rain.
Pwede mag-picture dyan.
Oh yeah, sila yung mga bata. Yan, mga bata.
Aman. Let's go. We picture them. Yes, Max.
Ang Facebook. Hashtag mo yung ano, Nagabeta Tiger Road.
Come on.
Yan, ang ganda view. Ayan. Sige, Biel, ikaw
Max,
muna.
Biel.
Max muna si Biel.
Dali.
See the airplane car away now. Hey, we're going on the bridge. Oh, so there? No, no.
In 700 meters,
I see
turn
Yamo.
left.
Mommy, I see Yamo in my place. Let's go there.
Okay.
It's red. Huh? I see. Ah! Hey, I want to go this off.
Nice. Max, see, this is a tractor. Biel.
Parang sa highway din eh. Doon naman beat. Dito na yun naman yung halaman.
Say hi, Max.
Hi.
Say hi, Biel.
Yan, right pa rin.
Kaya masarap sigurado yung dun kay Usok. Kasi
Oo.
dito kay Jane Bay,
Sarap ng seaweed, di mo makalain eh. No?
seaweed kasi yun. Dagat eh. Grabe, ang sarap.
Patikman ni Mama. Si Mama mahilig sa seaweed. Nagtatikman yun ako.
Mm-mm.
Oh, sila Carlo. Gusto nang bisitahin yung statues, meron na silang tour guide.
Ikaw, ikaw magdadrive.
Ano yan? Kay Jinbei.
Kay Jinbei.
Ay, sorry.
Ay, nadedetect niya yung
Oh,
ano?
yung white line.
Talaga? Amazing. Akala ko yung pag meron lang na barikada.
Pagdating sa Mount Maso, mas maraming view. Ay, nagbabay.
Stop, 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 stop.
Ay, may family mart.
Stop. Stop. Have to stop, okay? Have to stop. Stop. One. That's one. Okay? That's one. I said that's one. That's one.
Nung nagbabike, may ilaw.
That's one. One. No.
Stop
In
light.
300
Lalagpas pa tayo
meters,
dyan.
turn left.
Hi.
Hinto na. Katumutok. Sabi ko tumigil. Ayun na.
Mommy, I want to sing.
Okay, malapit tayo sa hotel.
Ito na.
Please.
Ito na, ito na.
Please. I see other painting of sea. I see a last one. I
Turn
see a
left.
two up
Then follow
there.
the local
Nah,
traffic regulations and drive
nah,
carefully on the narrow
it's
road ahead.
It's not time.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay, okay. Ito na. Ayun na, Tersa, oh.
Turn left.
Okay,
We're
salamat. Turn
almost
left.
there now.
Yeah, we're here na actually.
Yay. Yeah. Yeah. Where's Luffy?
We will
You
walk
have
to
arrived
Luffy.
at the destination. Voice
the
guidance
King of
is
the
now
Fire.
finished. The destination is on the left side.
No, it's close. It's definitely close. Yung pirate, it's close. Pirate King. I have his hat. See Luffy Rabbit. Yung big statue. He's too
Sinong park?
big. Your daddy gave him a
Dito drop off na.
stick.
Oh, nandun yung
Diba?
parking.
Daddy
So, papunta tayo
gave.
doon?
Park muna ako.
Sige.
Oh, there's food. They have food. Yay.
Yan.
After he have food. That's the hotel. It's really
Yeah.
no, that's the escalator. It's too big.
Ito pala,
Okay.
binaba ko muna kayo.
It's too big.
Ba't mo ko lang naman maglakad ka na, diba?
Depende.
Yeah.
Depende na kita.
Hindi tutulungan kita. Pating ko na. Or diretso lang.
Pasok siya.
Those are really small. No, there's an accelerator. It's too big. There's a bed for, okay?
Pwede rin tayo. Ngayon?
Saan?
Ay,
Ito na
ba
lang.
siya?
Oo, pala mo siya eh. Ikaw lang kasi.
Ito na lang.
Sige, yun na lang.
Ay, ito pala ito.
Okay.
Ay, di. Baka maano ko eh. Titignan ko lang naman dyan.
Dito. Ay, dito.
Yan. Andun pa yan.
Ah, ito.
Yan lang.
Food.
Ano ba kaya doon?
That's a
Paano
hotel?
ka pa?
Yeah.
Ayun, yung pagitan nito.
No,
Yung puti.
I'm
At saka yung green.
Mommy,
Eh, pala
that's the
ito.
hotel.
Ayun, malapit. Tabi pa dito. Ayan, maluwag. Daanan ba to?
That's the hotel. It's really, really small.
Ah, yan eh. Ito pala. Sa likod.
Pwede rin. Yun na.
Saan?
How could
Dito.
the hotel
Ah, okay.
be so small?
Or malapit.
No, it's not a high
Look. Ate, look,
building.
it's big. Diba?
Pero palapad siya, anak.
Look, it's small.
Hindi siya tall pa.
No,
More
it's
on ano siya.
big. But it's just wide.
Oo nga, wide. Ibig sabihin, marami rin siya rooms.
Ate, joking. Because you're too lazy. Hey, not be lazy. No. Ah, this is out of floor. Beep, 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 beep.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Hi.
Nakapanibago na compared sa Osaka. Ang daming tao. So, hinandaan ka lang din ha. Baka may dumawin. Sige, go, go, go. I'll tell you pag ano. There's a cat. Meow, meow. Ito ba tayo? Baka sa Lawson meron nung may kumamon na statue. Dali ka. Ayun, tanga. Uy. Ano to? Look at Kumamon. The evil Kumamon. Criminal kasi siya.
It looks like AI. The evil Kumamon.
Ayan na. Ay, I have goosebumps. Ito yung mga banner, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayun. Ito yung mga banner nila, ano. Like, sa poste may banner. Han, yung kada lamp may banner, ayan, oh. Wow, green ngayon
Oo. Kaya green din yung ano.
sa aso. Shit. Akalain, nakapunta tayo dito. Umpisa lang ako ng walang kaalam-alam kung ano yung One Piece na anime nung Tagalog pa yung dub eh. May AR eh. Tingnan natin.
Mommy, there's a hand right there. There's a hand.
Wow!
King of the pirates.
Saan ba kay Carlo?
Look, there's a
Balikan ka lang
there's
yung
a hand.
Oh, wait lang. Teka muna. O, sige, pipicturean ko kayo. Okay, dali. O, dali. 1, 2, 3. Anong oras yun?
10.
Ha?
10.
10?
Ah.
Wait.
Can I take a picture first here?
What? Here lang.
Okay na yan.
Nakikita ba? Okay na. Nakikita yung patay. Nakikita pa. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. Ano? Don't judge the book by its smell.
Iba yung pagkamaanggo. Maanggo siya pero tolerable siya. Oily yung broth niya.
Okay na? Really? Show mommy that you're eating ramen on the camera. Sige nga, good boy. Ikaw, Biel.
What are you doing?
Biel, subukan na ramen. Show the video.
Wow, chopsticks.
Oh.
Good job.
Sino doon suman?
Sige, ikaw kumain ka.
Ha?
Oishi? Medyo oishi.
Yes. That's a cartoon.
Only one, right now.
Sige, go. You like it? Wow, good job. You like it?
My dish is too up there. I want to walk. Pirates again.
Siya lang talaga yung nakailaw, no?
Huh? Where's he? That's the king of the pirates again. Where's he? I said jump.
Ha?
Baka maglalakad
Kind of creepy.
Nakapatay na yung ilaw ng poste.
Kind of. Oh, that's the guy. I see a guy. Look. No, jumper. John. Luffy.
Nakapatay na yung ilaw ng poste.
Mommy, we have Luffy. Shadow. Can you put your hand there? You put your hand there.
Mas malaki kamay ko kay Oda.
Bro. Hey Max, it's so small.
How about yours? Oh, it's bigger. His hands is bigger.
Mommy, come here. You put your hand here. Okay? It's
Mas
this.
malaki kamay ko kay Oda.
Yeah. Look at his hand. Fits. No? How about me?
Sa umaga ulit.
Pipicturean ko lang siya. Mag-picture tayo na.
Makakalain.
See your hand.
It's a small.
College pa lang
Another
ako.
one.
Nanonood na ako nito eh.
Hey, my toy.
Ito na.
Put down. So small.
Wait, just picture him ng ano.
Stop.
Dali.
He's king of the pirates.
Come here, Max. Max.
Look at
Biel. Max, come here. Halika muna. Halika muna. Max. Halika muna. Mamaya. Come here. Yan, ganda ng camera.
Ay, mamaya matatanggal ko yung mga shadows. Luffy.
Ayun mo. Kung pamilya ko, di ko kakaisipin na magkakapamilya ako na magiging fans din ng One Piece. College ako eh. O, parang ako lang yata nanonood ng anime na to. Kasi pangit yung drawing. Kakaiba yung drawing niya.
Lalo ko nakita mo yung drawing ni Kanjuro.
Oh, ganun ako mag-drawing eh.
Ah, sige, you wanna pause?
Oh,
Pause?
pause.
Pala?
What do you want?
College ako eh. O, parang ako lang yata nanonood ng anime na to. Kasi pangit yung drawing. Kakaiba yung drawing niya.
Lalo ko nakita mo yung drawing ni Kanjuro.
Let's start. If he's here.
Hmm?
Kuni kuni wawa, kuni kuni wawa, kuni wawa, sign, wawa, kuni wawa, kuni wawa, kuni wawa. Drag it out. Kuni wawa, kuni kuni wawa, kuni wawa, kuni wawa. At the back.
Ano alam ko na?
Ano?
Yeah, sa back. Just like your base.
Bigyan natin sa akin.
Yeah, sa back.
Sandali.
Si Luffy, ito na dapat maganda kuha ko. Hindi ako papayag na pangit.
It's a super. Okay, come on.
Tara.
Tapos,
Ano, hindi in order. Like, in order dun sa...
tapos, lagi ko yung gagawin.
Bukas na bukas yung lahat ng ilaw.
Maming tatrabaho pa.
May pang gabi sa kanila.
Oo. Government yan eh. Hindi naman katulad.
At sa akin, alas 3 lang wala ano.
Eh, dun yun.
Nag-makeup na alas 3.
Dun yun, dito. Dito may transfer. Siguro yung paperwork sa gabi ginagawa. Yung mga mayroong transaction sa umaga. Wish us luck tomorrow. Una natin photo na si Super! Balik kong Frankie ng iba na boses.
Oh no.
Ah,
Dito, not there. Look,
dito.
Mommy, oh no.
not on the grass. Sabi ni, not on the ground.
What?
Grass.
That's a big one.
Look left and right, and then cross.
Kung sakaling inuna natin Fukuoka, an, yung dumiretso, kung sakaling inuna natin to, yun ang sakyan natin, yung bus na yun. Dito.
Ito ko, naman yung construction site. Ah! So, it's a new one. It's a new one, construction site.
Oh, betul.
It's a new
Wait,
one.
Maxine.
Nox.
Stop! Look at the first baba. There's always at the right end. That's in the grass.
Bakit?
Not touch the grass.
Not on the grass.
Pati yung kaprasong yun.
Ah,
Who's that? That's at the grass. No gas. That's at the grass. No gas in the sea. No gas in the sea. And a big ship, it's better.
What? What, Max?
Picture.
What
A
is-
big,
What?
a big sea. It's better.
Better what?
Yung big sea, look.
Anong big C?
No, look.
Big 3.
The big sea, it's better. More people Japan visa.
Pandesal?
More people Japan visa.
Anong pandesal?
No, more people Japan visa.
No multiple Japan visa.
We just go in Japan.
Okay.
Dito we went.
Yes.
It looks kind of creepy. Look. Yeah. Look, it's baho dito.
Because
Baho
it's
dito.
peaceful na.
Super creepy.
Peaceful dito. Wala masyadong
show
tao.
the viewers super creepy. Yeah.
Hmm?
That's show you. Because really want to do this place.
Hmm.
It's even more creepier, but at least Lucy's there.
It's not places
At
like this.
night.
Places like this there's not a lot of people are peaceful, unlike in Osaka. There's lots of people.
Yeah, even I remember in Hong Kong, this
Hmm.
land. It's also kind of creepy, but the music. We tried to parkour.
Wag gagayahin ka na kapatid mo. Uy, Max.
My goal is to. That's like the girl. This is the girl. No, that's it. No, that's it. And kuya, a big fish is better. Picture, a big fish is better. You big fish, look. No, no.
Big 3. Dito na, ano? Dito.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep.
Oh?
Nandiyan kayo again. Tomorrow is not gonna be that creepy. Go, go.
Pinicture mo na yung hotel natin, yung labas. Dito sa ano, harap. Sige, kita. You will stay this side.
Ate, let's do that, okay? Baka, let's go.
Uy, wag, wag, wag.
Ate! It's doing that.
No, you wait. Now? Ha?
No, stop.
Ba't di ka bumili?
Stop. Stop.
Doon sa ano na lang.
Yan.
Sa Fukuoka.
Stop.
Marami naman GU.
Yan. Stop.
Wait ha,
It's a bumblebee. It's a bumblebee white car.
I'm gonna buy
wait lang ha.
that.
Kasi maganda yun.
Yeah, I like it. Diba? It's so
Fancy.
comfy.
But also.
Ha?
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Oh, ayan, han. Puro kasal pa yun kasi may mga ano eh. Buti pa yung hotel may kasama na sa package yung gown saka suit. Yung package nila, pag kumuha ka ng event dyan, venue, meron ng, ayun, no, may package na may kasamang suit saka gown. Nandun sa labas na naka-display eh. Ayan, dito mag-picture na, makakita yung pangalan. Ano? Wait, Del. Ikaw.
No, yung picture a vending machine.
Ayan. Ayan.
Yan.
Ayan, sa kakot.
It's the car.
Ayan.
Pin, 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 pin. Pin.
Hmm.
Mama, mama, mama.
Pag transfer ko, pag kukunin ko yung mga wag mo na pala send sa akin ang gagawin ko. Kasi binababaan ni Facebook yung quality nung picture pag sinasend sa Messenger eh. Direkta ko na lang sa USB kukunin yung pictures.
One piece.
Hmm.
We are
Ha? Ay, breakfast pala. Hindi. Ibili. Sige, bakit muna tayo? Tapos ako na yung bababa saglit pag ano. Tatanong ko kung malapit ang convenience.